Ah, yung Sugod Bataan actually, it came about nung parang time na si A.K. Bautista ah, yung provincial head. And then parang yung Central Luzon noon nag-iisip ng kanya-kanyang battle cry for every province, no? And then nung binaba yun sa province ng Bataan, they had a meeting. And then parang yung standout na suggestion was Sugod Bataan. The suggestion came, I think, with Tito Boy of West. And then after nung meeting, nakita kami ni Eki for 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 an event, and then nagpaplano kami ng event for YFC. And then napag-usapan namin na yun nga ang battle cry ng Bataan. So we wanted to put meaning on sugod. And then I came up with servants under God. And then sabi ni Eki, he changed pinalitan niya yung servants under God into soldiers under God, kasi nga yung tema na yung Bataan bayan ng bayani at banal. So eventually yun na yung nagamit, yung Sugod Bataan. And then it was eventually launched, I think, that same year sa event ng YFC. And also uh, nakagawa rin tayo ng newsletter na ni-launch din sa anniversary naman ng CFC. And then also, Gino came up with the song of Sugod Batan. So, basically yun. And then, after that time, until now, yun na yung battle cry na ginagamit ng YFC Bataan.